Hi, my name is Jamin Schaefer, and I will be showing you how to remove a power supply and some of the power leads. First, you're going to want to remove the screws. Now you're going to want to remove the leads. The first lead is a 24-pin P1 connector. This provides power to the motherboard. Next is a 4-pin aux, which also supplies the motherboard with power. Next is a SATA. Then you have the floppy drive. Last is a 4-pin Molex. Once you have removed all the leads from their boards, you can then take out your power supply. Now I'm going to show you how to put it back in. First, put in your power supply and make sure that it is snug. Next, you can reconnect your power leads. First, I'm going to start with a 24-pin P1. Next is a 4-pin aux. Then the SATA. And these leads each have the wire colors. You can tell how much each wire is putting out. The red wire is putting out 5 volts. The yellow wire, 12 volts. And the black wire is a ground. So then I'm going to reattach the floppy. Then the 4-pin Molex. Now I'm going to show you some other computer components. Here we have resistors. All these little things are resistors. Next, a transistor. These are capacitors. And last, diodes. That is how you successfully remove and put back in a power supply. Thank you.